In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. My video topic is the Second World War 1939 and 45. The Treaty of Versailles was through and through humiliating to the Germans. The conditions imposed upon them were very harsh. They were smarting very heavily under the humiliation of their expulsion from the League of Nations. The after effects of the war, both in Germany and in Italy, were very distressing. They caused a feeling of deep social discontent in both the countries. The rise of the Nazis under Hitler and those of the fascists under Mussolini. The rise of nationalist movement in both the countries has led to the collapse of the balance of power in Europe. The colonial and commercial rivalries between England and France on one side and Germany and Italy on the other. It was in fact a struggle between the haves and the have-not. In short, the attempt of these nations have-nots to have more places under the sun brought them into conflict with English. The language of nations had become a definite body for its inability to prevent effectively the outbreak of the war. The conquest of Poland, Australia and Holland by the Germans forced the British to declare war against Germany and Italy on behalf of the Allies. Germany broke Munich Agreement, which had been signed between Hitler and Chamberlain. By this agreement, Sudeten territory was given to Germany. Hitler promised to take no further action against Czechoslovakia. It was further agreed upon that in case any future dispute arose between Germany and Great Britain, it will be decided by peaceful negotiation between both the countries. Occupation of Czechoslovakia by the Germans, in spite of the Munich Agreement, made the war certain between the Germans and the English. The result of the war, Germany, Italy and Japan made unconditional surrender. Germany was divided into 4 zones amongst the English, Russians, Americans and the French. In order to avoid the future recurrence of war, an assembly of the representative of all member states was organized, which meet from time to time. An international court of justice was established. Security Council was set up. The German leaders were tried and 12 of the them were put to death. The war prisoners were released. Goodbye.